In this video, I'm going to show you how to create meme coins using GMGN. Now, first you'll need a GMGN account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you can sign up using my link to actually get started on GMGN. Now, on here, once you're on the platform, you want to go ahead and click on this button top right next to the search bar, which is called Cooking, and it says 0 fees. Whenever you click on this here, you can see it says Cooking on 4meme, 0 launch fees, and you can go ahead and actually create your meme coins in here using GMGN, okay? So all you have to do is select your image. You can also use some AI up here if you want, and then you can select your image, the ticker, you can give it a coin name, you can basically put in your X, the website, the Telegram, etc. And then the dev wallet is of course going to be your wallet over here. You can select how much of the token you want to buy, so you can do BNB, you can do Solana, whatever you want, of course depending on which chain you currently are on. So we can swap this just like that, and then you can go ahead here, create your meme coins, and then just click on free cooking on pump, or of course for meme, whatever it is, and then just like that you've basically created your meme coins. Okay, so that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.